if you want to log into your Steam Deck with a new account, or if you are getting an error during account creation, then in this video, I'll show you how to create a Steam account and fix any verification issues. If you are on your Steam Deck, you cannot create a new account from it. But you can use any Android phone, PC, or Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad, or Mac to create the account. We are using an Android device, so let's open the browser. And then you can just search Sign Up Steam. Then you need to press on this website, create your account. After that, you need to put in your email address that you want to use. Then you need to confirm your address again. Then select your country and then complete the CAPTCHA. Now check their agreement and then press continue. After that, you'll get a verification mail on the email address that you have just put in. Now you need to open the email and then click on verify my email address. After that, your email will be verified. But if some of you are having an issue where it says verification failed, then make sure that you're using the same device and the same browser for the whole process. Now let's go back to the email creation page. Then you need to select your username, check if it's available because you need a unique username. In our case, you can see that our username is already taken, so we're gonna use a different name. Let's just put in 2023 after that. And remember that your username is unchangeable. Now we have to select a password. Now just press done and you have successfully created your account. Now let's go back to our Steam Deck and log in using our new username and password. This is how you can create a new Steam account and log into your Steam Deck. And if you face any issues while doing that, feel free to share your feedback in the comment section and stay tuned for more Steam Deck content. Until then, keep on grinding.